rang ba ka Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma, ulaong ba ki arngut ki menteri rang ba kim kwa banit jengo, ya ki jaka ba ya ka japut, kabanwan ra apat ya ka jingakan at Hadien balapet na ka jaka. Haka khatlai tarik na ilur arhaja arpaulai, u Himanta Biswa Sarma bat u Conrad ki sangma, kila di sya ha sekretariat, ha ka ba ki lekran artat halor ka jingyat ki kam bayadei ba ka jing penbet ya uput usam, ha pedeng kini ki artali ki jala. Habakran syagilat batai kubor u Himanta ulaong ba ka jingakan, kalong bantai shwa ya ka jing sngau shingan bat shanya hapdeng ki pat ba kini ki artali ki jala knang ba ka jing penbet put kan long da kalenti ke ba sngau tanat lang baro arliang ulaong ba ki arngut ki menteri rang ba kim kwa ban shulet jengo syaki jaka ban dab rukam kaban wan ra apat ya ka jing kan at Hadien balami na ka jaka bat ki pat ba kin kenok kalaru ya ki ba ki wan pensyet handai shisin balalet jengo ki pat ba ki di ban yasyong suk kenjai da ka jing sngau tanat bat diang sngau baha da ka jing pu sam rekhi. Lawan kedau ba kejala Meghalaya bat ka Assam kila penbet ya ke hendriu tali ki jaka baya ka japut, ha ka kala ka baningkong, bat sa hendriu tali ha ka kala ka baar.
And as you're aware that this is an ongoing process and every opportunity we get to discuss the matter helps us to get to a better understanding. So with that objective in mind, we took this opportunity to sit together and discuss about certain situations, certain conditions and certain issues that were coming up and how we could possibly move forward. So this is part of the exercise, part of the process. There is no definitive outcome of it, and this exercise time to time will continue. So I thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and the CEM of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council and our Deputy Chief Minister who's heading the regional committee in Jaintia Hills region for their time, and we had a very positive discussion on the matter, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to slowly and steadily move towards a resolution and also ensure that there is peace in that area and the different misunderstandings that are coming once in a while. We hopeful that we'll be able to resolve those issues also. Thank you very much.
As you know, today is a very important day for our state, Assam, because Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council could establish a nice guest house in Shillong. I thanks Government of Meghalaya for facilitating establishment of that guest house, and I'd like to personally thanks once again Sri Conrad Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister Meghalaya, and Snabalang Dhar, Honorable Deputy CM Meghalaya, for gracing the occasion. As I was in Shillong, or I am in Shillong, I thought it proper to pay a visit to Sri Conrad Sangma ji. I met him. We discussed the ongoing works on the regional committees. There are a lot of progress. Recently, we could finally agreed on the survey post of on Hahim. Finally, it has been resolved that both Government of Meghalaya and Assam could agreed on the border post. So there are a lot of progress is happening on both sides. We discuss about confidence building measure too. But today, as discussion was very unofficial and informal, we don't want to announce some decisions or something like that. Only thing is to say that this informal meeting will be followed by a formal meeting, and then of course whenever we meet formally we take some decision and we communicate to the press. So today meeting between the Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya can be treated as one of the confidence building measure, and I'd like to request our people in the both side of border to maintain peace, harmony, because they must remember that we are working overtime to resolve the dispute. We want to keep the best interest of people living in the both side of the border in our mind. We want to protect interest of the people living in border. So be calm, remain in peaceful, remain in peace, help us. We'll try to resolve the dispute to the satisfaction of both the people of Assam and Meghalaya. What we want to do quickly hereafter, we want to sit in a formal meeting, and then probably we'll be able to take some confidence building measure. And with that confidence building measures, we'll visit the border. Because we thought that our visit should not create tension. Because if we both CM goes to the area and after our return there is a fresh tension, then people will blame us. So we want to quickly evolve some confidence building measures, and we hope to do that. That is why we said today. Thereafter we'll have a formal meetings. Once that confidence building measures are formalized, we'll both go to the site and we'll discuss with the people of border village also. When we went to Lampi, there was lot of festivity. So we want to go to the Karbi Anglong and Jaintia Hills also with the same kind of festivity. And once a little bit of some political activities like assembly, something is going on in Assam. So I'd like to do it in the month of October. If Honorable CM can come to Guwahati in the first week of October, we can do. Otherwise, in the second week of October. That this 6 area is a little bit complicated. So this regional committee, they are both headed by the matured people on both the side. They are working very hard. They are visiting those areas frequently. And we believe that everything will be settled in a most peaceful and amicable manner.